Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you our Halloween version of Lumiere. So I just want to give you a closer up view. Now we started off with this, it goes around the head, this part here, and it would attach to the hands. So on the bottom we had to find the counterbalance, which would have been right there, so I put this large gem underneath, and for a little extra added weight I put these little black gems around here and put a spider here. Now 2 chains ended up being used. I used hot glue in the beginning. I wouldn't suggest that, it wasn't strong enough. I would try like an E6000 along with the hot glue. And Steve had to help me with this one because I didn't use a strong enough glue. So just looking inside here, this is the original part, and he put a metal rod in there, but it still kind of wanted to fall over, so he added this extra added chain here, and I'll just get it turned around, and he ended up putting a pole and using these tie wraps here to kind of put it all together, and then we just glued it. And see, these separate here too, so you know, even using real chain might be better. And we just tried wiring it in all the weak spots. These candles were just purchased from the Dollar Tree. So these were purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I just covered them up with this lace that I had purchased from one of the dollar stores, and I just kind of clipped it and cleaned it up around the edges to make it look like fingers, and it just gave that extra added piece on the bottom so that it would sit in here, because other than that it didn't want to sit, it just wanted to keep falling through. I love this face. This was from the Dollar Tree, and it was just on a little pedestal, and we took it off so it gave him kind of life, like he can move his mouth. And yeah, absolutely love it. If you guys have seen or know of any other way to make this an easier project, I would be more than happy to watch the video. If you could just leave a comment and the link in your comment below, that would be awesome. But otherwise, I will be attempting this again. I will start it off differently, and I love the effect. And this was completely inspired by Karem, who is in the event with Karem, and I'll leave that link in the video in the description box below so that you can check out where I got my inspiration from for this. She did it on a much smaller scale, but I wanted to do it on a bigger scale. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and bye for now.